Thurston County in southwestern Washington is famously home to our state capital, but there's a whole lot more to explore when you get outside of the city.
We're a large county of about 300,000 people.
Wayne Fournier is a Thurston County commissioner. Growing up right here made him appreciate the natural beauty of the farmland in this area.
Visitors coming to this area are going to find an authentic, real-world kind of experience. You can get things that were grown and raised right here next door. Within Thurston County, we have the Bountiful Byway, which is a 60-mile stretch of highway where you can visit various different farms.
We really do feel like this is such a special place.
Jennifer Colvin is the owner of Colvin Ranch, another stop along the Thurston Bountiful Byway. As a fifth-generation rancher, Jennifer appreciates the history of this land.
My great-great-grandfather came over on the Oregon Trail in 1849, and he basically went as far as he could go. And so my family has been here ever since. I was the fifth generation to grow up here on the ranch, and we've been raising grass-fed, grass-finished cattle here for 171 years now.
Incredible. Oh, and here they come. Are they following us?
Yeah, they're so
They
curious.
saw the camera.
They did. They just wanted to come up and see what was going on.
How's the grass?
This is a fresh field for them too. We just moved them in
Oh,
yesterday.
they're very happy. That's the best.
Our next stop along the Bountiful Byway was Sandstone Distillery, where owner John Bourdon lets us try the fruits of his labor.
We are the first legal distillery in Thurston County since Prohibition.
Wow.
So you are going to have some spirits made from grain that is grown 25 miles from right here. So I'd like to start you off with a bit of our vodka.
Oh, that's yummy.
Shouldn't taste like jet fuel.
It's the water from this area.
That reminds me of Olympia beer, right?
Yes.
Because it's the water and a whole lot
And
more.
That was the exact inspiration.
Okay.
See, I got a chance to go to the old brick brewery by joking around with these guys and then insulting them just a little bit. I ended up with the original recipe for Olympia beer. So what we did is we made the beer here and distilled that beer into a whiskey.
Come for the booze, stay for the
stories.
This is what my mom would drink at night if she had a cold.
Mine prayed.
Have a little bit of this. Mine prayed. Mine drank. Well, thank you so much.
My pleasure indeed.
Cheers to Washington grown.
Cheers to Washington grown.
Our last stop for today is Rutledge Family Farms. With sunflower fields, pumpkin patches, and so much more, this is the perfect spot for a family day on the farm.
We're at our third spot, but this is out of 50 locations on the Bountiful Byway that you can go to.
I love
and there
that.
is something for everybody.
That's
I
right.
think agritourism, that concept is important. When you go there, you're supporting a local farm.
Yeah.
Well, Val and I have a few more stops to make and a few fun things to do, but if you get the chance, check out Thurston's Bountiful Byway for all sorts of fun.